kept secrets travel.
There you go.
Right, Morgan, let's kick off.
Let's take it away,
Okay,
boys.
so today I brought 3 foods from 3 different companies. Well, technically different companies, but 3 different countries. And we're all going to try them. We're going to rate them on taste, and then would we recommend them. And the first food is from Iraq, and we have dried locusts.
Nice.
These look delicious.
So what's both of your initial reactions?
Half a pint of ready-to-eat dried crunchy locusts.
I reckon if you stuck a bit of barbecue sauce in there and mixed it around in a cup, that would be right. In a little bowl.
I think they're going to be a bit like pork scratchings or something.
Yeah, I like that.
I think they might have quite a nice... They're going to have a nice crunch. I don't know so much about the taste. Funnily enough, the ingredients is 100% locust.
Only 100.
So they supposedly haven't put any salt or anything on. So it'll be interesting to see what they taste like that way.
So these are eaten predominantly by the Bedouin people of Iraq. Female locusts are boiled and dipped in salt and eaten.
Have any of them ever choked to death by any chance?
Not in my research. Not that I've seen.
Oh,
And so we're having dried locusts. When they're boiled, apparently the flavour is similar to green vegetables.
nice. We'll give them
So,
a
Will,
try.
do you want to show a close up with the camera?
Crunchy.
The bit that I find very off-putting about these is that you can actually see the wings that's still on there.
You can see the eyes as well.
Yeah, you can see the whole of everything. So I grab some scissors here to cut off. And can you rip it?
Use
Strong
those
man.
guns. Use those big guns.
Yeah, I'll go over security on all he's talking about his gun.
I don't know much about weaponry, actually. I don't know very much.
So
More about strategy.
try and grab a little bit.
Strategize this.
Smell a bit
locust.
like dog food.
Oh, wow.
I haven't
Well, that's
eaten dog
possible.
food either.
Sorry, I couldn't even pick them up. A bit slippery.
Why are they slippery?
this all just a bit that?
Oh. Man.
Here's a bit of close up.
You've already gone for it.
You know me, I get stuck in. Oh.
Oh, Ross is committed.
Yeah. I'm gonna go for a nice wingy one. I think.
Did you get the whole thing?
They're quite hard to swallow, actually.
Did you go for the whole thing?
Yeah,
Yeah, just pour a couple out.
Are you
The
not
problem is, it's just making me think like Bugs Life.
Are you not meant to go for the whole thing? You're meant to...
Oh no, we'll go for the whole thing. Cheers.
There you go. Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
It's just like a bit like a crisp. Like,
Definitely need some sauce on it.
Just like even a pinch of salt.
yeah. I think.
Not like pork scratchings.
What?
I expected more crunch.
Yeah. What's putting me off more is just I know what it is, rather than the actual eating it.
So they're from Iraq, right? So if you're in Iraq, are you going to have the... Was it Bedouin?
Yeah.
Are you going to have the Bedouin locust, or are you going to go and have a massive Big Mac? What are you going to choose?
The Bedouin locust, much higher protein and less fat. Oh, I don't want to eat more of these.
They just need some sauce on them, I reckon. They'll be absolutely fine.
I've really dried out my mouth.
I have wings stuck in my tooth. I think.
Yeah, they sort of disintegrate before you actually.
Yeah,
eat.
they do. And with the initial.
I think the eye's stuck in my molar or something. At least I'm seeing the dentist.
It looks hollow on the inside.
I don't think there's much to it.
No.
Someone's.
So the verdict is you would not go for McDonald's.
Okay, so yeah.
I just like. They just smell a bit funky. It smells like
Smells
like dry dog food. Great little snack to have in the car.
Yeah, good road trip food. High in protein, easy to snack on.
But those sort of mixing in with the trail mix when you've got your Bombay mix and stuff, that sort of salt and spice. I think if you added a bit of chili and a bit of salt, these would be quite
Yeah,
nice.
I think the chili sauce would make a big difference.
I didn't notice the wings on them.
You know, you can see the wings. Have you not got that stuck between like?
No.
Yeah, I've
sizes.
got like wings. Yeah, stuff.
It tastes a bit like. The only way I can describe in the teeth is a bit like when you go to the cinema and a tiny bit of popcorn, like kernel, gets stuck
Yeah,
between
it
the teeth.
is kind of like that.
Alternative to popcorn.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it's like cinema snack food.
If you want a protein-packed cinema snack food, go and get your Iraqi locust.
So, if you were to rate them out of 10 on taste,
What do you go for?
You go first. You go first.
your
On taste. Let's.
Don't drop this on me.
The tail's quite bland.
Is it?
Why have these ones not got tails on them?
The mid-section's a bit
Bland.
barkier.
Oh, this one says hollow.
Now I'm going for the iron brain.
That's where the full flavour is.
Full of flavour.
Did you have another one, Crabbers?
Yeah.
Just got to have some nice Surrey spring water to wash it down.
What would your rate on taste be?
Maybe a 4.
4.
That's pretty generous, mate.
I'd say a 4 to 5. I think there are so many things out there which are just way worse, taste-wise.
Which we might have later on in this episode.
Yeah, I just think it's how I picture it tastes like eat cardboard. There's just not that much to it. Can't really just slaughter it because it's not making me retch or vomit or anything.
So there, Crabbers. What do you think?
I'm gonna go for a 2, man. I can't.
Do you want it? I think you might need to try another one just to
You've got a head on your notepad. That
No,
can go.
you know-
Morgan's got a head on his notepad.
Yeah.
That needs to go.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, that needs to go, Morgan.
It will.
In your mouth.
That is where I'm going to put it.
There's nothing. You literally take one chew and there's nothing left of them. It's just disintegrated.
There's a lot more dust, like air, than I thought.
What else you got in there? I mean, it's got to be better than this. It's got to be better than this. No offense to the.
So what's your rating going to be for this one?
Right, let's blitz the ratings. I'm going 4 on taste. You're going on
2.
Morgan.
2.5.
Yeah.
Oh.
Would I recommend it? I don't know. I don't know how often anyone in Iraq actually eats locusts. Is it a common dish? We don't really know.
I believe
is it just a media publicised thing?
It's a common dish among the Bedouin people, and then in the cities it's more of a delicacy.
Exactly, and if you're out in Iraq and it happens to be there and someone tells you to have it, then I'd say go for it. Why not? At least try it.
Be it tastes better if it's boiled compared to dry.
Yeah, maybe you have a tomato sauce like spaghetti out of on locust.
Which could make all the difference. But anyway, I would
Right, let's go to the
not
next
fully
one.
recommend it.